All right, I'm replacing the power window switch on my 2015 Chevy Sonic, and I ordered this part right here. So I wanted to show you how it compares to the original part. So I just took the entire door skin off, the driver's door skin. There's 3 plugs. There's a plug on the switch, a plug right here, and there's a third little plug right here on my particular model. This was the hardest one for me to get off. There's a little white tab I had to push in right here and then pull this out. And of course you have to remove the door cable on here. When this arrived, it arrived safely. It came in a box. It also came with this tool, which I didn't think I was going to use, but it actually came in handy to get behind and undo these 4 clips. There's 4 clips on here you're going to need to remove to take this out. This actually came in handy. So let me show you what it looks like compared to the original. This is the original one that came out of the car. This is the one that I just purchased. You can see they look almost identical. As far as the buttons go, passenger, passenger rear, driver rear, and then the auto switch on here. You can hear the click here. No click here because this is the auto switch. I'm assuming it does 2 different functions. Very similar on the front. You can see a little difference right here on the side. You can see that, and you can see that side. So they look very similar. Getting ready to put it in now. Should just snap in here. Should just snap into place. Yep, there we go. There it is installed. Let's plug it in, see if it works. And here it is installed. Perfect fit. Auto goes down. Everything works as it's supposed to. There you go. It worked just fine, fit perfect. I think they use this same switch on a lot of Chevy products. You know, obviously you want to check and make sure, but this one works perfectly for my 2015 Chevy Sonic.